In today's video, we're going to make our own sunburn serum and learn why you need to know how to make this fantastic do-it-yourself product for your home. Please like, share, and subscribe. This recipe with all natural ingredients can soothe sunburned skin with its amazing anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties, and it's so easy to make. Alright, let's get to it. We need 7 ounces of aloe vera juice. Aloe vera juice is moisturizing and soothes irritated, dry, and flaky skin. 1 ounce of fractionated coconut oil. Coconut oil is deeply moisturizing and absorbs quickly. It's an antioxidant, antifungal, and can soothe skin issues like eczema and psoriasis. 8-ounce amber plastic PET bottle. Essential oils I like to use are lavender, peppermint, tea tree, and geranium essential oils. 6 drops of lavender essential oil. Lavender has anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and antimicrobial properties. 6 drops of peppermint essential oil. Peppermint has a cooling effect when applied to the skin, which can soothe the pain of a sunburn. 6 drops of tea tree essential oil. Tea tree possesses anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, which can protect and soothe the skin. It also supports wound healing. 6 drops of geranium essential oil. Geranium also supports wound healing and can ease skin irritation. Combine 7 ounces of aloe vera juice and 1 ounce of fractionated coconut oil in a bowl and stir well. Then add 6 drops of lavender, 6 drops of peppermint, 6 drops of tea tree, and 6 drops of geranium essential oil. Place in an 8-ounce amber plastic PET bottle and shake well. Apply to affected area and gently massage into skin. It's just that easy. Here's the recipe if you'd like a screenshot. Store in the fridge and use within 1 month. Thanks for watching, and remember, subscribe, comment, and ring that bell for more wellness content at The Essential Journey, restoring the mind, body, and home with the power of nature.